In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Gemini for image generation. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new guide video on how Genek. If you want to generate images with the help of AI, let me show you how to do it within Gemini. Now to start off, what you can do is you can simply describe the type of image that you want. So this can be a brief description of the type of image that you're trying to create. It does not need to be a final output. You can refine it as you go on. Now, as you can see, with the help of this simple prompt, it has generated an image. Now, if you don't like what you see, you can refine it or be more specific. So if you want to generate an accurate image, you can add in these specifics of how you want it. Now, whenever you add in something specific, in this case, it says a clear blue lake in front. It has given me exactly what I said. Now you can also improve this further, and if you want to change the style, you can also do that. So as you go on, you can add in specifics of how you want this particular image to be generated as. As you tweak and turn your prompts, you will get better results as you go on. So by following these steps, you'll be able to generate images using the help of Gemini AI. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.